changed my time 7 to 8. Earlier it was 6 to 7.
You're mute, Renu Bhabi.
Okay, how many days in a week?
For yoga, you are saying?
Yeah, yeah.
You are asking for yoga? Monday to
Yes,
Saturday every day. Monday to Saturday every day.
6 days.
Sunday is only holiday. Huh.
Okay, if anyone actually क्या है, I like everything but I don't like yoga.
Okay.
अपन
Why
अपन
don't you like yoga?
अरे if
She doesn't like.
हाँ
She doesn't like to do Surya Namaskar and
हाँ
yoga.
नहीं
Why I don't know.
हाँ I
Actually, I think yoga is not for reducing weight.
no no
Actually,
it's
it's
not
for fitness.
yeah yes
Huh?
that's I
It's
agree
increase your immunity. It's a immunity booster. Actually, yoga
yeah
is. You know, if I don't do yoga, then I think I have so many problems, physically problems. Today I was in bed if I was not started yoga. So.
okay
So I believe in yoga. Ki yoga is very good thing. Everyone should do this,
yes
and it's a really Sanjeevani booty of today's life.
okay
Yoga improve our immunity. At
immunity
same time, it reduce our weights. I have. You can say.
Yoga is for your mental health, physical health, as well as your spiritual health. It
Yeah,
increase all
definitely.
everything. Hmm.
okay mm-hmm.
Your video is not on. Your camera is off. Can you?
Good
Yes,
afternoon sir
sir
Good
has come.
afternoon,
Good afternoon, sir.
beautiful
Good
ladies.
afternoon, sir.
Uh, I want to inform you if you are putting on a big headphone and it is especially used for music purpose, so sometimes the echoing problem occurs to the others, not to you. If you are using a simple earphone or neckband, it is good for communication, and a big headphone is good for music purpose. Okay, Aparna, is the board completely visible?
Not completely, but
Make your mobile horizontal, please. It will be completely visible. Everybody, turn your mobile horizontal. It is vertical now. Meanwhile, Renu, can you tell me what was the last interactive sentence?
sir the last interactive sentence was now pay for it
Thank you. And Puna, what is the Hindi meaning of this interactive
Bhuktan karo. The Hindi meaning for pay for it means bhuktan karo.
sentence? This is not precise. Aparna, what is the exact Hindi meaning of this interactive
the now pay for it. The Hindi meaning of this interactive sentence is अब भुगतो.
sentence? Yes, अब भुगतो. दोस्तों, इंटरेक्टिव सेंटेंस में एक या दो शब्दों के इधर उधर होने से उसका पूर्ण अर्थ बदल जाता है. The complete meaning is changed. Uh, PAY, pay verb is used for bhuktan karna. But when we say anybody now pay for it with this expression, so meaning is totally changed. Abhukto. Uh, Aparna, have I given you what brings you here? Interactive sentence.
No, sir, in this group you haven't given.
Okay. Uh, Poonam, can you tell me what is the meaning of bring?
Bring means लेकर आना या खरीदना. For both we use this. I think.
Absolutely. Poonam, is it visible to you?
Yes, what bring you here? हाँ, आप यहाँ क्या लेकर आए हैं, लेकर आते हैं?
Very nice. इंटरेक्टिव सेंटेंस के बारे में थोड़ी सी चर्चा करते हैं पूनम तुमसे। ये एक कुछ इस तरह के वाक्य होते हैं जो हमें स्कूलिंग कॉलेज लाइफ के दौरान सिखाए नहीं जाते हैं, लेकिन ये मूवीज में काफी प्रयोग होते हैं और जो मीनिंग इसमें दिखाई देता है वो होता नहीं, और जो होता है वो दिखाई नहीं देता है। तो इंटरेक्टिव सेंटेंस का हिंदी अर्थ है बोलचाल का वाक्य। आपकी रोज की जिंदगी में एक दूसरे से बात करने में इनका प्रयोग होता है। अब पूनम ध्यान से सुनना, धीरे धीरे हम एक गुरु मंत्र बोलते हैं इस क्लास का। इफ यू वांट टू बी ए गुड स्पीकर ऑफ इंग्लिश यू मस्ट बी ए गुड लिसनर। इसका हम हिंदी भी बोलते हैं जो कि थोड़ा सा आपको भारी प्रतीत होगा। अच्छे वक्ता बनने के लिए अच्छा श्रोता होना चाहिए। इफ यू वांट टू बी ए गुड स्पीकर यू मस्ट बी ए गुड लिसनर। ये केवल अंग्रेजी के संदर्भ में नहीं है। अगर मैं कुछ समय आपके परिवार में रहूं तो मैं सिंधी बोलने लग जाऊंगा, ऐसी मैं उम्मीद करता हूं। एक आध दो शब्द तो मुझे आते हैं कहीं से, छाक है पई लाइक दैट यू मस्ट, हाँ यू आर स्माइलिंग, यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट।
यस सर, छाक पे मतलब क्या चाहिए? आई नो तो है, बहुत अच्छा है, ढाडो सुटो
ढाडो
Yes, Renu is right. Renu knows very well Sindhi.
Renu knows Punjabi, Renu knows Sindhi language. Let's see how many languages he knows. Anyways, come to the point. Aparna, which chapter does this sentence belong?
Sir, this sentence belongs to present simple.
Ask this question to Renu. Renu will ask to Puna.
Renu Bhabhi, which chapter does this sentence belong?
This sentence belongs to present simple.
यह वाक्य किस अध्याय से संबंधित है?
यह वाक्य प्रेजेंट सिंपल से संबंधित है। पूनम, which chapter does this sentence belong?
This sentence belongs to simple present tense.
यह वाक्य किस अध्याय से संबंधित है?
यह वाक्य सरल वर्तमान काल से संबंधित है।
ओके,
वेरी गुड पूनम, लेकिन इज नहीं लगाना था यहाँ पे। अभी
Okay.
देखना, अभी आप पूछो हमसे पूनम।
Sir, this sentence from which from which chapter this sentence belongs to? ऐसा।
वेरी नाइस, काफी अच्छा प्रदर्शन है, लेकिन प्रिसाइज नहीं है, एक्यूरेट नहीं है, और इस क्लास में मिस्टेक्स आर रिस्पेक्टेड, व्यक्तियों को सम्मान दिया जाता है। अब अपर्णा हमसे पूछेगी, अरे हाँ पूनम, अपना सीसी ऑन कर लो, 3 बिंदुओं पर टच करके सीसी ऑन करो, so you will be able to read everything properly. Aparna asked me,
Sir, which chapter does this sentence belong?
well Aparna, this sentence belongs to present simple tense. Complete the
यह
process.
वाक्य किस अध्याय से संबंधित है?
अपर्णा, यह वाक्य प्रेजेंट सिंपल से संबंधित है। अब अगले वाक्यों को ध्यान से सुनना पूनम। हमें इतना समझ में आ गया है कि पूनम ग्रामर से परिचित तो है, बट शी इज नॉट प्रिसाइज। प्रेजेंट सिंपल का जो हिंदी पूनम ने बताया था हमारे लिए आश्चर्यचकित करने वाला था। इतना बेहतर हिंदी तो हमने पहले सुना भी नहीं था। रेनू, व्हाट इज द सब्जेक्ट इन दिस सेंटेंस?
Sir, what is the subject in this sentence?
थैंक यू। इस वाक्य में कर्ता कौन?
सर, इस वाक्य में कर्ता what है?
यहाँ ये व्हाट नाम का WH वर्ड सब्जेक्ट की तरह कार्य कर रहा है पूनम। अपर्णा, व्हाट इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब हियर?
Helping verb in this sentence.
Come again, Aparna, your voice was chopping.
There is no helping verb in this sentence.
Absolutely good. There is no helping verb, Poonam, in this sentence. There is no helping verb in this sentence. Renu, what is the main verb of this sentence?
Sir, the main verb of this sentence is bring.
And Renu, what is the form of the main verb?
First form of verb. The
Yes.
नहीं, sorry, the
ऐसे बोलो, it is first form.
yeah, it is first form. Yes.
That's all. Aparna, what is you in this sentence?
You is the object in this sentence.
अपर्णा, इसमें you क्या है?
सर, इसमें you ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह काम कर।
कर्म। अपन पूनम को दृष्टिगत रखते हुए सारी बात आज कर रहे हैं, तो हिंदी भी करते जाएं ताकि पूनम को। रेनू, व्हाट इज हियर इन दिस सेंटेंस?
Sir, here is an extension in this sentence.
थैंक यू रेनू। प्लीज अपर्णा या रेनू, जिसके पास भी बेसिक ग्रामर वाला वीडियो उपलब्ध हो वो आज शेयर कर देना, तो पूनम उसको देख लेंगे। अच्छा, बेसिक ग्रामर।
Yes, sir.
अब आज कम लोग हैं, इसका पूरा फायदा हम पूनम को देते हैं। जितने सवाल अभी हमने किए वो सारे सवाल अपर्णा रेनू से करेगी और फिर रेनू वही सारे सवाल पूनम से करेगी। और अगर पूनम का जवाब थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर हो तो इट विल डू, नो प्रॉब्लम, चलेगा, कोई बात नहीं।
Sir,
एक्चुअली माय बैटरी इज लो, it is 17%, now 16, so I have to go to take the power bank. You were
sir, I
asking
want to
something.
ask. Yeah, sir, I want to ask कि here it is taken brings, no? So we have to take say we have to tell that rule कि it is a singular person and we have taken as yes, and to make that word singular we have to take as.
अभी
वो
हमने
भी आना।
उसको इतना ऊंचाई पे इसलिए नहीं ले गए बिकॉज पूनम इज न्यू, है ना? तो
बट सर ये मेरा मुझे समझ में आ गया, मतलब
अपन धीरे धीरे डोज बढ़ाते हैं ना, है ना?
ठीक है सर।
नहीं तो एकदम से वो क्या होगा, जिसको हैबिट नहीं है बहुत ज्यादा ग्रामर, एक हाँ इंडाइजेशन वाली स्थिति होगी। तो अभी अपन पूनम को ये समझने देते हैं कि इस वाक्य में ग्रामर के आधार पर कौन कौन सी चीजें दी गई। तो एंड आई थिंक पूनम इज ओके विथ डायरेक्ट इंग्लिश। अगर पूनम कहीं पे भी ऐसा लगे कि इसका हिंदी जानना है तो पूनम आपको बोलना होगा कंप्लीट द प्रोसेस। किसी से भी तुरंत अनम्यूट करके बोलिएगा कंप्लीट, पढ़ना कंप्लीट द प्रोसेस, रेनू कंप्लीट द प्रोसेस, तो वो लोग उसका हिंदी भी बोल देंगे। तो Aparna will ask all these questions to Renu, and Renu will ask all these questions to you. And you try to ask Aparna all these questions. Meanwhile, I'm going to take part. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Renu Bhabi, what is the subject in this sentence?
Aparna, what is subject in this sentence?
Very tricky sentence. And what is the helping verb in this sentence?
Aparna, there is no helping verb in this sentence.
And what is the main verb in this sentence?
Bring is the main verb in this sentence.
And what is the form of this verb?
It is the first form of verb.
Okay. And what is you here
You is an object.
and here?
Here is an extension. Here is a extension in this sentence. Okay.
I think extension के पहले हमको N कहना चाहिए because
Ah, yeah.
E A
And
I
is
O U, yes,
yes,
N,
yes.
huh? Yes, yes.
Agreed. Yeah. I am in mistake. Yeah. So it is an extension in this sentence. Okay.
It is
So
an X.
yeah. Okay, Poonam. Should I ask you?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. What is uh, subject in this sentence? No. What is what in this subject? What is what in this sentence?
In this sentence, what is a subject?
Okay. What is the helping verb here?
There is no helping verb in this sentence.
Okay. What is bring in this sentence?
Bring is here verb, first form of verb.
Okay. What is the form of verb?
Brings first form.
Okay. So what is you in this subject sentence?
In this sentence, you is an object.
Okay. And what is here in this in this sentence?
In this sentence, here is an extension.
Okay. So ask to Aparna all the questions.
Okay, Aparna, are you ready for answers?
Yeah, Poonamji, I'm ready.
Huh. Yes. So, tell me, in this sentence, what is the subject?
Renuji, Poonamji, what is the subject in this sentence?
And what is the helping verb in this sentence?
Poonamji, there is no helping verb in this sentence.
So, is there main verb? Yes, Aparna, is there main verb in this sentence?
Yes, Poonamji, there is a main verb as bring in this sentence.
What is the form of verb here?
The first form of verb in a form here.
Okay. And what about you? What is the you in this sentence?
Poonamji, you is an object in this sentence.
And here in this sentence, what is the role of here?
The role of here in this sentence an extension.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very well done, Punam. Now you are going to be surprised to see the Hindi meaning of this sentence. By the way, Renu, can you guess the Hindi meaning of this sentence?
You are mute, Renu Bhabi.
कैसे क्या आना हुआ आपका? कैसे आए? What brings
Very
you here?
nice. Aparna?
कैसे आना हुआ?
Yes.
The Hindi meaning of this.
Punam?
Yes, sir.
Can
Uh,
you guess?
कैसे आना हुआ?
Okay, you were not listening,
क्या
no problem.
यहाँ?
Uh, mm, Aparna, ask me this question.
Sir, can you guess what is
No, no, no. Ask me this sentence.
what brings you here, sir?
Well, Aparna, I was just passing through. I just came here to have a glance of Shankarji, the Kashnar temple. So I thought I should come to you and to meet you because there was a lockdown and we could not meet a long time. It was a long time. That's why I came to you.
Sir, कैसे आना
Now,
हुआ?
Hindi now is not,
Mm,
I think, required. हाँ, किसी को जरूरत होगी तब हम हिंदी कर लेंगे. Renu, hello Renu, what brings you here?
Bhabhi, you are mute.
Sorry. Today I was like talking in mute only. Huh? Okay. Well, sir, actually there is a marriage in Jabalpur. So I came to attend that marriage, and I thought ki it is a golden opportunity to meet sir. So I came to see you. So that brings me here.
Welcome, 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 welcome. Come, have seat.
Okay. Aparna, what brings you? Actually, sir, there is a marriage in our family. Actually, sir, it is
Oh,
there on 30th this month, on 30th. But due to this corona, we are not attending that marriage. And they are like Mamaji, he is getting her daughter's marriage in Indore. Indore.
I think
So
Corona has gone.
yeah, but sir, it is like मतलब family का decision है कि some of them are
Okay,
going. So we
okay,
are not attending that marriage, and it is the last marriage of our family. So she is my
okay.
sister-in-law, and I am very close to her. She stays in Jabalpur, so I missed the opportunity to come over there.
Um,
Yes, yeah, day before yesterday, वो लागू something is function is there ना लागू I think
Lagoon,
lot
Lagoon, Lagoon.
Lagoon, Lagoon, Lagoon.
function is there. So yeah, so
Anti-Mufti's function is this,
yeah,
Lagoon.
so
Before marriage. Right.
yeah, so she was ready for that, and she called a video call to all her buas. She has 5 buas. Sir, we belong to that Agrawal Motors, no? You must be knowing their name, Agrawal Motors, Raja Kataria family. So they are my matlab my mother-in-law's brother. They are okay. Aparna, should I?
Now you ask to Poonam.
Okay,
Poonam,
Poonam.
Poonam is.
Yeah, Poonam. What brings you here?
As I heard too much about her, I want to meet her, so that's why I have come to Jabalpur.
Okay. Now you can ask Aparna.
Sir, Poonam will ask.
Aparna,
Poonam will ask.
Aparna, Aparna, what brings you here?
Yes, yes. Well, Poonam, actually, I was going. I was passing from your near home, and so I thought ki I should meet you for asking about the class and to meet you and to get some knowledge about the yoga. And you are a trainer, so I have come.
Okay, it is done. Poonam, listen the next process carefully. Renu, what should be the verb for Lana?
Sir, the verb for Lana should be bring.
Very nice. Thank you. Mute yourself. Aparna, what should be the spelling of brain?
So the spelling of bring is BRING.
Aparna, what should be the spelling of brain?
The spelling of bring should be BRING.
अपर्णा ब्रिंग की स्पेलिंग क्या होनी चाहिए?
सर bring की स्पेलिंग BRING होना चाहिए.
पूनम, हम शुड का प्रयोग इसलिए करते हैं क्योंकि हमने जो चीज नहीं दी उसको हम गैसिंग के तौर पर आपसे पूछते हैं. आपका जवाब सही भी हो सकता है और गलत भी. बोथ आर वेलकम. बोथ द आंसर्स आर वेलकम. Renu, what should be the sorry, Poonam. Poonam, what should be the second form of brain? Poonam, unmute yourself, then speak.
Brought. Sir, brought.
Acha, Poonam,
Second
you
form
are
of
not.
bring is brought. The second form of bring
Poonam,
is
you
brought.
need to listen more carefully, Poonam. Let me ask this question to Renu and listen carefully. Renu, what should be the spelling? What should be the second form of brain? Renu, unmute yourself. Renu is disconnected, no connected, but she must have got any technical problem.
Yes,
so I'm
sir.
asking to Aparna. Aparna, what should be the second form of bring? Poonam, listen carefully.
The second form of bring should be brought.
अब यही सवाल आप पूनम से.
Poonam ji, what should be the second form of bring?
The second form of bring should be got. Brought.
Aparna, what should be the spelling of brought?
The spelling of brought should be BROUGHT.
Thank you. Ask Poonam.
Poonam ji, what should be the spelling of brought?
The spelling of brought should be BROUGHT.
Thank you. Poonam, एक बार अपर्णा से पूछ के देखो सेम क्वेश्चन.
Aparna, what should be the spelling of brought?
Poonam ji, the spelling of brought should be BROUGHT.
Okay. Aparna, what should be the third form of bring?
The third form of bring should be brought.
Ask the same question to Poonam.
Poonam ji, what should be the third form of bring?
Aparna, the third form of bring should be brought.
Thank you. Poonam, यहाँ पे ये Poonam is also disconnected. Is
Today
there
the
any?
network problem is going on.
Okay.
That's why Sarika did not come.
Is it raining?
It is raining here. Yeah.
So we conclude the class, है ना?
Yes, sir.
It's of no use. तो चलो अपन, now if you want to talk to, but why should we waste the data? You can make a simple call. Poonam is back. Okay, Poonam is back. Aparna, have you written the verb?
Yes, sir. I have written the verb.
Should I erase?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Ask the two questions to Poonam.
Poonam ji, have you written the verbs? Verb?
No, I have not written this word. Whatever is on blackboard, I have to write every day.
Yeah. You should be maintain one register for it, and Renu Bhavi will tell you everything.
Okay.
Right now, Poonam, you can write everything on a rough copy.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
And now I'm giving you today's idiom. Firstly, I'm speaking and you try to guess. Meanwhile, I'll be writing. And the idiom is, when the horse is stolen, lock the stable door. Can you guess the meaning of this idiom? Poonam,
Sorry, sir, I can't hear properly. The horse is?
is your CC on or not?
Uh, so wait.
I said you put your CC on. Acha, you reconnected. That's why you forgot to switch on the.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Aparna, can you repeat whatever I said if you have heard properly?
Uh, Actually, I when the
Okay,
horse is stolen back, but I don't remember.
okay, I'm speaking. When the horse is stolen, lock the stable door.
When the horse is stolen, lock the stable door.
दोस्तों मुहावरे हमारे रोज के प्रयोग में बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है जीवन में, तो ये हमें थोड़े से शुरू में कठिन लगेंगे, बट बिलीव मी they will be very much useful for your further speaking. Now you have the complete sentence here. So, and Renu is back. When the horse is stolen, lock the stable door. Can anybody guess the Hindi meaning of this muhavra, lokokti, kahavat? Poonam, can you please guess?
When the horse is stolen, lock the stable.
You know, Poonam, you can zoom in, zoom out your screen. Uh,
Pin
देखो
कर सकते, you
पूनम
can pin the
Lock
पूनम
stable
सबसे
door.
पहले तो अपने मोबाइल को हॉरिजेंटल करे और मेरे फोटो पर डबल टैप करे तो स्क्रीन विल
Yes.
बी ब्रॉड, you will
Yes,
be
sir.
able to see the dashboard complete. Otherwise, you will not be able to see the board complete. Aparna, you were saying something.
I was saying कि she should pin the your she can pin
You
on
I
your.
should
have
pin.
pinned, but it's not clear actually. I don't know what is the problem today.
It is a network problem. You just when you were disconnected and Poonam Renu was disconnected, I was thinking to conclude the class. I think there must be raining and you are not getting good reception. Should we continue or should we drop it?
Sir, we are getting everything properly now. No problem.
Okay. Poonam, what about you?
Yes, sir. I am getting. You do continue.
You are chopping. Your voice is chopping and I cannot see you. That's why I cannot say you are lagging or not.
Sir, but I can hear you properly. So you do continue.
Okay, let's continue. So Poonam, can you guess the Hindi meaning of this?
Uh,
Just try. It can be right, it can be wrong. Just try.
yes. Mm-hmm.
Renu, can you guess, please?
Sir, something like that कि कुछ चोरी हो जाता है तो
हाँ,
टूट जाता है या ऐसे something like that should be meaning should be like.
लेकिन रेनू हमें अपने हिंदी मुहावरों के सागर में कूदना पड़ेगा
Yes, sir.
और वहां से मोती निकाल के लाना होगा। अपर्णा,
Yes, sir, I just got it. अब पछताए होत क्या जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत, ऐसा?
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct.
और मीनिंग भी उसका आई कैन गेट
हाँ
कि जब घोड़ा चोरी हो गया तो स्टबल को लॉक करने का क्या मतलब
हाँ.
ऐसा।
Just please write it down. And simultaneously, firstly, Aparna, you speak as it is. We will play creativity round later.
Yes, sir. When the horse is stolen, lock the door, unlock the stable door. अब पछताए होत क्या जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत। रेणु भाभी।
अपर्णा, मुहावरों में हमें उन्हीं शब्दों का प्रयोग करना चाहिए जैसे अब पछताए होत का, इसमें का शब्द का ही प्रयोग किया गया।
When the horse is stolen, lock the stable door. अब पछताए होत क्या का जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत। पूनम।
When the horse is stolen, lock the stable's door. अब पछतावत क्या हो जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत।
दो जगह गलती हुई है पूनम से, एक तो अंग्रेजी में, एक जगह हिंदी में। कम अगेन पूनम।
कम पूनम जी रिपीट योर सेंटेंस।
When the horse is stolen, uh, lock the stable door.
Good. Now speak Hindi.
अब पछतावत क्या होत जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत।
अब पछताए. Is it visible to you or not? अब पछताए होत का.
अच्छा, so no, it's not visible in my mobile. अब पछताए होत क्या
Okay.
होत का।
Poonam,
Yes, yes.
Poonam, listen. This one facility is also available in Google Meet. देखो, with the help of your thumb and your finger, you can zoom it. See, and you can like this. You can move it wherever you want.
Yes, 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 sir. Yes. अब पछताए होत का जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत।
Good. Now let's play second round, दोस्तों. Aparna, it is your starting. Creativity if you want to do.
Yes, sir. Yesterday I was going out for shopping. My mother-in-law told me, "Ki don't go out because it will be a rain very high." So, but I did not listen her. And when I got wet and come back from market, so she said, "When the horse is stolen, lock the stable door." मैं अब कल बाजार गए थे और जा रहे थे और मेरी सासू माँ ने मुझसे बोला मत जाओ बहुत तेज बारिश होगी और मैंने सुना नहीं और मैं गीली हो गई आके आते समय। तब मेरी सासू माँ ने बोला कि अब पछताए होत का जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत।
Very nice. Renu.
Yeah. 2 weeks before we met our friend get together, so we went there. So I was stuck with corona. So now it's like I'm having corona. So my husband, my kids said uh, said when the horse is stolen, lock the stable door. एक 2 हफ्ते पहले मैं एक पार्टी के लिए गई थी और वहाँ पे मैं कोरोना से पकड़ी गई। और अभी मेरे बच्चों ने बोला कि अब पछताए हो तो क्या जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत। मतलब कि they are telling me not to go but I have gone.
Very nice. Thank
Is it
you.
true, Bhabhi? Or
Yeah,
just
yeah,
is it true? Is it true or you're just making sentence?
making yeah, just making sense.
Thank God.
Okay, it's Poonam's go.
Yes. I have scolded my son to study many times, but he was um, not listening to me. He didn't do, and he was every time saying exam will not happen because of corona lockdown, all that. But sudden government has given the date of exams, and he was not ready for exams. That's why he has not cleared the exam. Then I said to him, when the doors is stolen, lock the
Sorry.
when the horse is stolen, lock the stable door.
Come
मैंने
again. When the horse.
When the horse is stolen, lock the
Sorry.
stable door.
स्क्रीन पे
हाँ,
स्क्रीन को जूम करके देखिए.
When the horse is stolen, lock the stable door.
So there you are.
मैंने अपने बेटे को बहुत बार डांटा कि पढ़ाई करो करो एग्जाम होगी, बट वो मुझे बार बार यही कहता रहा कि एग्जाम नहीं होगी और उसने तैयारी नहीं करी और सडन एग्जाम की डेट आ गई और अब वो एग्जाम क्लियर नहीं कर पाया। तो अब मैंने उससे कहा अब पछताए होत का जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत।
Poonam, thank you very much. Very nice sentence. Mute yourself now. You are doing well. You are pre-known of English. एक दो चीजें बताते हैं जो बेसिक होती हैं ग्रामर की. पहले हम रेनू का बताते हैं. रेनू, बिफोर के प्रयोग को कम करो सेंटेंस में. 1 or 2 weeks ago बोल के देखो, अच्छा लगेगा.
Okay.
और ग्रामर की दृष्टि से बिफोर के बाद कोई ना कोई शब्द आता है. बिफोर आखिरी में कम प्रयोग करें, उसकी जगह बैक का प्रयोग करें. 2 weeks बैक या 2 weeks अगो. अगो और बैक. ओके. और पूनम ध्यान से सुनना. एवरीथिंग विल बी कमिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन. यू कैन रीड इट एज वेल. आप इसे पढ़ भी सकती है. When we scold our kids, we say, do your study, do your study, do your study. It is good. But Poonam, do you know study is itself a verb? Study अपने आप में क्रिया है. तो जब आपको सेंटेंस में इसका प्रयोग करना हो तो इस तरह से कीजिएगा. I have scolded so many times. I have scolded my child. I have scolded my son so many times to study. It will look beautiful. I have scolded my son to study.
To
Sorry,
start, to start,
to study.
hard.
Sometimes Google also get confused and he takes some wrong words. So you will have to balance your listening and reading. Do not depend on reading all the time because our pronunciation is not as good, accent is not as good as the American accent is. That's why sometimes Google gets confused. So very nice. Now Poonam, listen my questions carefully. Aparna, what is stable?
So stable is noun.
Very good. Ask the same question to Renu. Renu will ask.
Renu Bhabhi, what is stable?
Aparna, stable is a noun. Poonam, what is stable?
Rin, stable is a noun. Can I ask to Aparna again also?
Yeah.
Aparna.
Yes. Aparna, what is stable here?
Punamji, stable is a noun here.
Now, Poonam, listen the next question carefully, muting yourself. अपने आप को म्यूट कर लेना फिर सुनना. Can you tell me, Aparna, what is the meaning of stable?
Uh,
Here.
the meaning of stable is घुड़साल.
Very nice. Now ask this question to Renu. Renu will ask.
Renu Bhabi, what is the meaning of stable?
Uh, the meaning of stable is घुड़साल.
अस्तबल शब्द सुना है आपने?
अस्तबल, हाँ, अस्तबल.
जहाँ घोड़ों को बांधा जाता है.
अस्तबल. Okay.
Right.
Poonam, what is the meaning of stable?
The meaning of stable is astable. Aparna, what is the meaning of stable?
Punam ji, the meaning of stable is astubal.
Second meaning is the good. What? Aparna, good?
घुड़साल.
घुड़साल. Okay, thank you.
आज हम बहुत दिनों बाद इस वाक्य को बोलने जा रहे हैं. सुनिएगा, पूनम के लिए अच्छा होगा. दोस्तों, अंग्रेजी में एक ही शब्द एक से अधिक रूप में काम करता है या कर सकता है. वो शब्द नाउन भी हो सकता है, वर्ब भी हो सकता है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब भी हो सकता है, एडजेक्टिव भी हो सकता है, एडवर्ब भी हो सकता है, कंजंक्शन भी हो सकता है, सो ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन. तो देखिए, उसी का जादू देखिएगा. हमने 2 बार स्टेबल लिखा है, आप समझ तो गए होंगे, लेकिन हम उसको पूरी प्रोसेस से आगे बढ़ा. Aparna, what is second staple here?
Sir, second, you have written already adjective. I was about to say. The second stable is an adjective here.
Ask the same question to Renu.
Renu Bhabi, what is stable here? Second stable here?
Yeah. Aparna, stable is an adjective here. What is stable here, Poonam? What is stable here?
Stable is here an adjective.
Okay.
Aparna, what is stable here?
Poonamji, second stable here is an adjective.
Thank you. Aparna, what is meaning of stable?
The meaning of stable is sthir.
Oblique, ये भी बोल. अविचल. क्योंकि जो आईफोन यूज कर रहे हैं उनको पूरा बोर्ड नहीं दिखाई देता, तो वो सुन के लिख लेंगे. Now ask this question to Renu.
Okay. Renu Bhabi, what is the meaning of stable?
The meaning of stable is sthir, avichal. Poonam, what is the meaning of stable?
Stable of meaning is actually my network issue is going on, so I can't hear. Arey, what did you say?
What is the meaning of stable?
The meaning of stable.
सॉरी फॉर इंटरप्ट यू. आप एक बार वो हेडफोन निकाल के देखिए शायद आपकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाए. क्योंकि कल तो आप क्लियरली विजिबल और ऑडिबल थे विदाउट हेडफोन.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है, ब्रेक हो रहा है.
Yes, you are audible clearly.
Your headphone is maybe the reason, because it is musical headphone. It is musical headphone. हो सकता है Zoom ऐप में वो बहुत अच्छे से काम करता हो, बट गूगल मीट में प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है। ओके अपर्णा, व्हाट शुड बी द वर्ब फॉर चुराना ऑब्लिक चोरी करना?
सर द वर्ब फॉर चुराना या चोरी करना should be steal.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। Renu, what should be the spelling of steal?
Sir, the spelling of steel should be STEAL.
Thank you. Poonam, what should be the second form of steal? Poonam, if you are mute, please unmute yourself. And if I am audible to you, actually you have put your camera off, so we are not getting you are present or absent, so we cannot say anything. Sometimes what happens if I am speaking in mute, like Renu was speaking in mute, so there is a movement of lips, so anybody can inform you that you are mute. Okay, she's disconnected. Uh, Aparna, what should be the second form of steal?
The second form of steal should be stole.
Thank you. Renu, what should be the spelling of stole?
The spelling of stole should be STOLE. Stole.
Thank you. Aparna, Renu, what should be the third form of steal?
The third form of steal should be stolen.
Thank you. Aparna, what should be the spelling of stolen?
The spelling of stolen should be STOLEN.
N. And Renu, what should be the verb for tala lagana?
Sir, the verb for tala lagana should be get locked.
Thank you.
Get lock.
Aparna?
The verb of tala lagana should be lock.
Yes, it is available here. It is working here as a verb. Because you are saying that lock the stable door. Then what should be the second form of lock?
Sir, the second form of lock should be locked.
Aparna, what should be the spelling of lock?
So the spelling of lock should be LOCKED.
Thank you. Renu, what should be the third form of lock?
Sir, the third form of lock should be logged.
Thank you. Aparna, what should be the noun of lock? Are you mute?
The, the lock of the
What
noun
should be
of
the
lock
noun of
should be lock. Tala.
Renu, what should be the Hindi meaning of lock?
Sir, the Hindi meaning of lock should be tala.
Okay. दोस्तों time is 1:55. It is 5 minutes to 2. It is 5 to 2. 2 बजने में 5 मिनट है. I think we should conclude because less people are available here. So, have you written on?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we have written on.
So, let's say ciao. Have you seen the spelling of ciao here?
Ciao.
Sir, it is coming child. CIAO.
Yes. It is
CIAO.
Latin.
Ciao.
Yes, it is Latin word, and the meaning of ciao is bye.
अच्छा. Bye.
आते समय भी चाव बोल सकते हैं, जाते समय भी चाव बोल सकते हैं.
Ciao.
चाव.
Latin verb.
Latin word.
Latin word.
I will give you the detail tomorrow. लेकिन अपर्णा हमारी श्रीमती जी को याद दिलाएगी. So I will take a picture and I will send it. क्योंकि ये सामान्य डिक्शनरी में वो मिलेगा नहीं हमारे पास लकीली. Webster dictionary available. So I will click a picture and I will send you.
I use it after hearing.
Okay,
I have it from you.
today I was ready with my speech. So as all were not there, so I was just kept quiet. कि ठीक है, it's okay. So sir, actually first speech I have delivered in that batch, and second I
Uh,
will deliver in this batch or that batch only. In 4 o'clock batch or this batch, because
No,
here
you.
so many people are giving the speech, no.
Acha.
so you want to deliver your present simple routine.
No sir, that I have given there, and now it is
There.
a singular subject, second speech.
So you want to deliver with singular subject.
Yes sir.
So you should deliver here,
Here, okay.
क्योंकि वहां तो अभी हमने सिंगुलर प्लूरल के बारे में कुछ बताया ही नहीं,
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है,
तो वो यहाँ पे ही बेहतर होगी.
ठीक है, ठीक है, ओके
So tomorrow we hope everybody will be present.
सर, यस सर, यस सर,
So
ओके,
before everybody, speeches should be delivered before uh,
यस सर,
strength.
या
Hmm.
ओके सर,
Strength is
ओके,
weak today.
या थैंक यू
This,
सर,
So
in this way,
thank
we can.
you.
Thank you,
God
sir.
bless.
थैंक
Thank.
यू सर.
In this way, we can remove our phobia. Isn't it, Bhabhi?